Another beautiful day in Washington State. Out here, Bro Yoda. We got the finished 1980 Toyota pickup. This thing turned out pretty good with that tan paint job. he's helping to. No, actually, yeah. Yeah, this is it, man.
Dinks in here.
So what's going on today?
There's no head on this bolt.
Nice and clean back there. Very straight interior. All right, got the gas pedal all hooked up. It has a Cherry Bomb thrust turbo muffler. There's the exhaust sound. In here, got all the gauges. There she is. $19.80. Sweet. Thanks for watching.